Everyone, and welcome to our video. We're gonna be doing mug pizza. If you want, you can subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and that sort of thing. So enjoy. The first thing we're gonna do is put in 3 tablespoons of flour. The second thing, we're gonna be putting 1/8 of soda. Next, we're going to be putting 1/16 of soda. Next, it's going to be 1/8 of salt. Next, we mix it up together in a microwavable mug, as you can see over there.
A few moments later.
Next, you add in the milk and the oil, mixing it together with the paste. Don't worry if you see a lump, because that's normal. Mix it up until you...
A few minutes later.
As you can see, this is how it should look. Now, be careful. You don't need to worry about the bumps because, well, that's normal. Next, you need to mixture in a marinara sauce. It can be of any brand. After you do that, you then splurge and spread it around the batter. Once that's done, decorate the pizza at your wish.
A few moments later.
Now we're gonna put the mug into the microwave for 1 minute and 10 seconds.
A few moments later.
Now, look at our mug. It's ready. Enjoy.